Space vocabulary. Astronaut. A person who travels and works in space. Spaceship. A vehicle designed for travel in outer space. Planet. A large, round celestial body that orbits the Sun. Star. A giant ball of burning gas in space that gives off light and heat. Moon. A natural satellite that orbits a planet. Galaxy. A large system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity. Meteor. A small piece of rock or metal from space that enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up, creating a streak of light called a shooting star. Satellite. An object that orbits a planet or other celestial body, often used for communication, weather monitoring, or scientific research. Telescope. An instrument that magnifies distant objects in space, allowing us to see them more clearly. Thank you.